Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for a Fiverr account. Fiverr is an American online marketplace for freelance services. It provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. To sign up to Fiverr, go to your web browser, type in www.fiverr.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard, and this is the official website of Fiverr. To sign up for the account, click on the Join button located at the upper right corner. You can continue signing up with Facebook, Google, or Apple, as well as the other option is to enter your email. Simply enter a valid email address. After entering your valid email address, click on the Continue button by clicking on Continue. You will agree to receive emails from your Fiverr account. On the next page, choose a username for your account. Simply type in any username you'd like, and on the next field, choose a password. If the username is available, you'll see this green tick mark at the right side of the screen. Enter the password for your account. After you are done, click on Join. While creating a password, make sure your password is 8 characters or longer. Combine upper and lowercase letters and numbers to make your password as strong and secure. Click on Join, and after you do that, you will sign up to your Fiverr account. In no time, you'll see a message right here at the top. Simply go to your email that you entered during the sign-up process. Click on this button right here. Go to Gmail account since I have entered my Gmail account with it. Let me go to my email and open the mail that you received and click on Activate your account. In order to activate the Fiverr account with this, I have signed up to my Fiverr account with just a few steps. That is all for today. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.